An owner of a lot wishes to put in a DA for change of use of a commercial premises in a strata complex that will involve some modifications, such as added toilets. As council requires the owners corporation to sign off on the application before it can be considered, how much detail is the owners corporation justified in asking of the owner? Can we ask for finalised plans and details, such as the precise nature of the works, including who will perform the work?
Absolutely. So the legislation doesn't have any restriction on how much information you can ask for. The general rule of thumb is you should be asking for everything that you need to satisfy yourself that the works are acceptable to you as an owners corporation, will have no detriment impact to another lot or the common property. So generally speaking, we ask for all the plans, whether they're plumbing, where relevant, electrical, architectural, structural, depending on the nature of works, of course. But we ask for all the plans. We ask for a detailed letter summarising the proposed changes so that you can then determine if a bylaw is required and what other consents as an owners corporation are required. So yes, you can ask for any information that you need. There is no limit. That's a short answer.